Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. Another unboxing for you today. They are coming through thick and fast now in May, aren't they? And let's just get right into it. This video today is on May's Roccabox. There we go. There we go. Normal pink Roccabox packaging. Here we are, and on the front it says, be bolder than your lipstick and sharper than your eyeliner. I like that, absolutely. Be bold, be brave everybody. So inside, here we go, sneak peek. We have our leaflet on top that tells us all about the products that are in here, so I will be referring to this as we go along. Also, it should have the RRPs on there as well. If you don't know about Roccabox, Roccabox is a UK only monthly subscription beauty box, and the cost of the box is £10 a month plus £3.95 postage and packaging, so it's £13.95 a month. Let's dive in and see what we've got for our money. First of all, we've got a £50 Virgin Wines voucher in there. Okay, now then, first product out the box is a Jurlique product. It's the Rose Water Balancing Mist. Here we go. There we go. Now, I know Aisha, the Moon and Stars, I bet she is going to absolutely adore this product. I know she's a big fan of the Jurlique make, and she also loves anything that's got rose in it. She loves the rose scent. Let's see if it says what it does. Just says hydrates, restores, refreshes, light and mist onto face. Used twice a day, following cleansing or anytime skin feels hydrated, so that's good. Oh, it's an Australian make. I didn't know that. Okay, this is a 15ml bottle. It's a deluxe travel size. Now then, I'm a little bit hesitant about this product, purely because I do not like rose. Oh, hey, that's a beautiful inner packaging, and this, I don't know if you can hear, this is a glass bottle, so even though this is a miniature, it's a glass bottle. I like that bit of quality. I like that. Let's have a look. Let's see. Oh, that is quite rosy. All I've done is just took the top off. That is very, very rosy. Right, okay. The RRP of this is £10. Now then, if this wasn't in the rose scent, I would be jumping on this and absolutely over the moon to try it out. And I am really gutted that it is as heavily rose scented as what it is. If it was only a small amount, I could have possibly persevered. But I just know that, unfortunately for me, no, it's going to be too much. So I'm going to put that back. I haven't spritzed it or sprayed it. I've literally just took the top off to smell it. If not, I might pop it in my 100 subscriber giveaway. You never know, ladies and gentlemen. That 100 subscriber giveaway, we're creeping closer. Keep your eyes out. Make sure you got your notification bell turned on. And the next product out the box is another travel size. Awesome, I like it. And this is a hair product. It's by Charles Worthington, and it's the Moisture Seal Hair Healer Leave-In Conditioner. Right. Intensely nourished hair that's instantly 5 times softer. This is a 30ml tube. And the RRP of this is £2.29. It's not tested on animals. It's also paraben free. Now then, if this was a normal wash-off conditioner, I would have been tempted to try this. However, I seem to keep saying it recently, we seem to be getting a lot of leave-in conditioners at the moment in subscription boxes, and they are just not a product I use. My hair is too fine and flyaway to have leave-in conditioners in my hair. So, for me personally, this is not a product I will be using. Again, this is another one that I will potentially be gifting away in some form or another. I've got a friend who's a hairdresser, so, you know, I could gift it to her. We shall see, we shall see. But there is product number 2. And the next product in the box, now I was really excited about this when I saw the sneak peek. And again, Aisha from The Moon and Stars, she adores this brand, so I can imagine she's going to be chuffed to bits with this box. Again, we have a travel size, and it's Elemis. Now then, this Elemis, it's a 15ml, and it's a peptide plumping pillow facial. It's a hydrating sleep mask. Alright, so this 15ml tube is a travel size, and this is, its RRP is £18. Elemis, as we all know, luxury spa brand, not cheap at all. So to see an Elemis product in this box is a big thumbs up. I'm really very pleased about this. It doesn't say whether or not it's dermatologically tested, but Elemis does not test on animals, so that's good. Yeah, I'm going to be interested to try that. Really pleased about that. So that one I will be keeping and trying. Yay! Okay, next item in the box. Now this is a bit of an unusual item, but I'm actually really pleased to see it in there. Okay, this is by the company Nail HQ, and it's a hardener. It's a nail hardener. Here we go. This is a full-size product, and its RRP is $6.99. Okay, the varnish contains collagen and minerals, which is designed to toughen and protect your nails, specially formulated for thin and weak nails. Now I don't have the best nails in the world, and this is different to having a nail polish in there. This is a nail hardener. Yeah, lots of washing our hands at the moment, putting hand creams on, that can soften your nails up. You know, some hand creams can help to strengthen them, but generally speaking, washing your hands more regularly can make them a bit weak and a bit brittle and a bit more prone to breakages. So I think that is a fabulous product to have in the box, really well timed, and I think that is going to be appreciated by a lot of people. I like that. I like that, definitely. So I'll be keeping that one. And the next product in the box, this is the bonus treat. It's a sample sachet of packed coffee. This is Planalto coffee. Okay. Because it's the bonus treat, it doesn't tell me what the RRP is. Let's just open this little leaflet up. There we go. Here we go. And this is for brewing a cup of coffee using a cafetiere, an AeroPress or a dripper. Well, that's handy. I have a cafetiere, which is, it's about 2.5 cups of coffee actually in it. And I do enjoy, I don't drink a lot of coffee, but when I do drink coffee, my favourite coffee to drink is freshly ground coffee that you do through your cafetiere, through your plunger, you know. So I am going to be very, very intrigued and very excited to try that. Can't wait. I like that. We had tea, flavoured tea, fruity teas as our bonus treat last month, so it's only right that we've got coffee this month, isn't it? I like that. I like that. And you know, that little sachet, that's probably going to be worth a couple of pounds, £2 or £3 easy. Because freshly ground coffee, it's not cheap, is it? Might be the best, but it's not cheap. And the next item in the box is an item that I will be gifting away, unfortunately. Okay, this is the hero product this month, and it is Saint-Tropez. So, you're getting 2 items as sort of a 2-in-1 deal, if you know what I mean. You've got the Saint-Tropez body mitt that you can use to apply the self-tan. This is the Self-Tan Express. It's a bronzing gel. 1 hour hydrating tan. Now then, I don't use fake tan. It's just not part of my routine. It's not something I've ever done. But naturally, I am an olivey skin, so I tan very, very easily. I've been in the garden for a couple of days this week with a bit of nice weather, and my arms are already quite a nice goldeny brown. You know, so again, I will be gifting this product on. The mitt is a full size, and is it 30 mils? Hang on a minute. Ooh, how much is in this bottle? Tell me. 35 mil. 35 bottle of the bronzing gel is a deluxe travel size. So the bronzing gel RRP is £5.70, and the mitt's RRP is £5. That is everything. So we have 2 products there worth £10.70. We have the nail hardener worth £7. So that's number 3, so that's £17.70. We have the coffee. Let's say that's worth let's say it's worth £2. Yep, so that's our bonus treat, but item number 4. So we're on £19.70. The Charles Worthington leave-in conditioner, that's worth £2.30. So we are looking at £22 in total so far. We have, whoops, my fingers aren't, I ain't got big enough hands to hold everything. We have the Jurlique Rose Water Balancing Mist worth £10, so that's £32. And then the piece de resistance, in my opinion, the Elemis Overnight Sleep Mask, Hydrating Mask, which is worth £18. So we have a box there, £50 value, and we've paid £14 for it. So what are we looking at? We're looking at 3.5 times the cost of the box. You know, for me personally, this month, potentially not the best and not the best value. I will be keeping the Elemis, and I will be keeping the nail hardener and the coffee. So has it been worth it for me with these products? Yeah, I think so. You know, I've got what, £25 worth of products there that I am going to use for definite, for my £14. So yeah, I'm quite happy. As I've said before, that's the great thing about subscription boxes. You know, you're not going to love everything that's in there, but it's a chance to experiment, to try new brands, to try new products, potentially things that you might not have tried if you hadn't received it in one of these boxes. You know, that's the way it goes. But for me, it's part of the fun and part of the excitement. Anyway, that's my thoughts and feelings on this month's Roccabox. Please let me know yours down in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, as always, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you are new here, the warmest of welcomes. Thank you for coming and finding me. If you haven't already, I'd love it if you'd consider subscribing and following me on my YouTube journey. You've got either the red button down below or the circular icon with my face in it, which will appear. I don't just do unboxings, I do makeup looks, I do a Friday night live stream, 8 PM London time every Friday night. I get on live with a drink, we have a natter, have a giggle, and yeah, please feel free to join in that if you would like to. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep safe, keep well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.